One of my kids went ahead and got a hold of a Sharpie and colored on my vinyl floor, and I'm going to show you guys how we get this up without disturbing the finish or the vinyl or anything like that. It's just really simple. All you're going to need is a little bit of nail polish remover. It's the acetone in it, so you can use acetone. This is 100% acetone. A light hand with this is going to be the key. I'm also going to be using these cotton pads. You do not have to use this. I'm just using these because they're white, and I want to show you guys how this actually comes up. Normally I would just use a washcloth, a paper towel, a napkin, whatever you have on hand is going to work. So I'm just going to pull one of these out. I'm just dumping a little bit of this acetone on here. A light hand is going to make sure that you don't mess with the vinyl too much, and we're just going to go ahead and really just kind of start scrubbing this off. So you can see the Sharpie coming off on the cotton pad. I'm just going to fold it over, go in again, and I'm just going to keep repeating doing this until all the Sharpie is gone. And then I'm going to follow up with just my regular soap and water, a mop solution, something like that, just to get the residue of the acetone off the floor, especially if you have dogs or cats or kids, whatever it is. But I'm just going to go ahead. I was a little bit heavier handed this time with the acetone on my sponge, but just going ahead and scrubbing it until it comes up. And it's really just as easy as that.